please welcome, all the way from the pie capital of Texas, the one and only Chef Julie Albertson and Edith Diaz from the Texas Pie Company in Kyle. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am even better now because you are here and you have brought along some of your masterpieces, Chef Julie.
I did, girl. I brought y'all some pie.
Tell us a little bit about how you became the Pie Queen, because that is what you were known as. Is it not?
Yes, I've been told I am that.
That is
I
your
don't call
official
myself
title.
that. I've heard that.
Yes, yes.
I didn't bring my tiara this morning.
You really
though.
should have.
I
It was a
should've.
long drive. Traffic is a mess with a tiara. So you have just a few of your favorites here in the kitchen. So walk us through what you brought along.
So what we brought this morning, we brought you a cherry pie with Dutch crumb topping. One of our pecan pies, which we're known nationwide for our pecans. We sell thousands of those a year. And we brought an apple pie, and then we just brought a little assortment of little pies. Because we do a few different sizes, yeah.
Okay, not only are we, going to just sit here and enjoy the pies you've already created, you are going to actually make one with us.
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the kitchen right now.
I am.
Okay, so hopefully when we're done here, I'll be able to make my own over Easter.
Sure, you can call me.
Perfect.
We'll share recipes.
Wonderful,
Yeah.
Chef Julie. Okay, where do we start?
So what we're going to do is I'm going to have Edith roll out. So she's going to roll out a top. And one of the things that we like to do with our rolling pins,
Love this.
which makes it so much easier. You don't have to add flour, don't have to add anything and make such a huge mess.
I've heard of this
is a
trick.
knee-high pantyhose. So we slip those on like a pin sock, essentially.
Okay.
And you don't want to use fishnets. That's not going to work.
Too many holes.
Too many holes. And just tie it off on the end so you get a nice knot on it. And what it does is it keeps the dough from sticking to the rolling pin. And we use wax paper so you don't have such a mess of flour and cleanup.
And that's the worst part, isn't it? Who came up with this little trick? Is this something that's been passed down in your family?
It has been something that was passed down by my grandmother because, knee-highs were popular way back.
Hold on, kiddos. Let me just take these off and we can roll out this dough. I love that. Okay.
Exactly.
So you're going to roll it out for us, Edith.
Right. And while Edith is rolling, then we can go ahead and start mixing. So what I've got here is some Granny Smith apples that I've already had peeled for us.
Okay.
Because I didn't want to have to go into all that this morning. It's too much work this early.
And I'm glad you didn't make me do it.
I'm not gonna, girl.
Thanks.
And so what we have here, I've got a cup of flour, a cup of sugar. We have a half a cup of flour.
Alrighty.
We've got 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Just makes it clarify after it's baked. And about a teaspoon of cinnamon.
Alrighty.
And then we're just going to toss all the, it's so easy.
Yeah.
That's one of the beauties of our fruit pies is we don't use a whole lot of sugar.
Yeah.
So it doesn't get too sweet, and you still get to taste all the fruit without all that sugar.
How many of these do you think you sell a year, these apple pies?
Girl,
Can't
I don't
even
know.
count, can
No,
you?
I know we did close to 30,000 pies for the holiday season last year
Wow.
and Thanksgiving. So
Oh, my goodness.
that's every size that we make. People always go, "Oh, you made that many big pies?" I'm like, well, it's every size. So
Right.
We've
The
got
little
3,
ones,
4,
too.
and 6. Yeah, but it's a lot.
I love that you have the little ones too, though, because that gives people a chance to
Well, and
sample it without having to buy the entire pie.
And the little ones are guilt-free. There's less
Fat-free.
calorie, they're fat-free,
Yeah.
and you can have one without that concern of caloric consumption.
You can say I ate an entire pie, but
Exactly.
it's this big instead of this big.
All right, so we're just going to toss all those in.
Okay.
And just make sure that everything is coated really well. And then now what we're going to do is I've got some apple pie filling. And Edith is going to go ahead and throw that into the pan.
Alrighty. While she's doing that, I want to talk to you a little bit just about the business that you've created, the Texas Pie Company, because you didn't always do this. You weren't always a baker, or you didn't make a living doing it.
No.
How did it come about?
Well, I started a bakery that I had lost my job working in a bank, and started my first bakery at 23 for the holiday season. So we rented out a pizza place that I like to say was deserted, but because I think it's funny, but they deserted. It was, especially after we left, but we had such an unbelievable response. I started selling pies to wholesale to restaurants. So I've been selling to some of my wholesale customers in the Austin area for 40 years.
Well, but can people in our area buy from you? Obviously,
Oh, yes.
that's a big
People
old
come from
yes.
all over the state to come in and see us. So our location in downtown Kyle, we have a nice walk-in front, so you can sit down and have lunch, so that you can have pie without the guilt of, you know, having not had a sandwich or
Right.
something.
It's
I
okay
believe
to
in it.
just have a piece of pie.
Girl, it is. And you know, my motto is have dessert first. Life
There
is
you
uncertain.
go. That's so true, Julie.
Yes.
That's so true. Okay, that is a perfect crust.
Yes,
Edith.
isn't
Nice.
it beautiful?
Yes.
Edith is a pie professional.
I can tell.
So, and these, we like to finger crimp all of our edges. They just make it just look really homemade
Yes,
and
beautiful.
spectacular. So now what I'm going to do, since we're doing movie magic.
The magic of TV.
Right. So this pie filling we went ahead and thickened up a little bit before we got here. So we're just going to add this to the shell.
Okay.
Turn that so y'all can see that.
Gorgeous.
Not block everything.
She's done this before, this TV thing. Can you tell?
I like doing this. It's very fun.
Well, you're good at
It's
it.
a
You
nice
should.
break. A nice break from being in the kitchen all day long.
Right.
And I get to come and play in your
I
kitchen.
know, I know. I love it.
So
I
now
don't-
what she? Yeah, go ahead and do it.
No,
Del.
you go ahead and roll that out, Edith.
So Edith is going to roll us out a top, so that we can put on the top of this pie.
All right. And we may have to go ahead and jump and grab the one out of the oven because
Sure, no
we are
worries.
short on time.
I get
Because
that.
we do love the magic of TV. Do you want to grab the
Yes,
the
I
final
will.
masterpiece,
Yes, ma'am.
Julie? We have to show everyone.
Yes, and we put
What?
this in the oven a couple of hours ago when
Okay.
we got here at in the kitchen.
Okay.
But
Look,
I have
y'all. Oh, it's beautiful.
oven mitts for hands.
It's
It's a little
beautiful.
toasty, but we're good.
And this is what you get at the
Yeah, so-
Texas Pie Company.
Yes.
When can they do orders online?
Yes, we do take
Okay.
orders online, and we do have walk-in customers.
Okay.
And you know, a lot of people from San Antonio will get somebody in their neighborhood, and they will come and pick up
Go grab it
100
for
pies.
me. Yes. I'll meet you halfway between San Antonio
Exactly,
and Kyle.
sure.
Well, we have loved having you, Chef Julie. Thank you. It was so nice to meet you as well, Edith. Go and order your pies today, or better yet, go and pick one up in person at the Texas Pie Company, the Queen of Pies. Chef Julie will be there probably. She probably sleeps there a lot of times, especially this
Pretty
time of
much,
year.
yes.
They are in Kyle, Texas. You can call them. The number is on your screen. You can also go online to the TexasPieCompany.com. Thank you so much, ladies.